This is also God's nature. It's like the rock is suspending on what seems to be suspending. Okay. Hey there, welcome to another colorful episode on this eco backpacking adventure in Ghana. So today we are visiting Boti Falls. I didn't even realize that the Umbrella Rock was in this region as well. As you already know, Eastern region is an ecotourism destination. So I'm here mainly for the waterfall, but this is also God's nature. It's like the rock is suspending on what seems to be suspending. Okay.
Fertility rocks, you know. Anthony discover Abeno. A boy was here. None of it. Until the Saturday woman have a transfer bonfire for some mouse. And when he said, oh, I mean, he didn't say no one for no San Travel, no Senya, and another. As a Mojidi will say, what's transfer now bonfire? Now wait to make him when you're back. Tano Mojidi.
No one can talk.
We are about to have a transfer on fire on the coins anyway. And yes, I was on Quabia. Ibia, Opposite Yamin Shadow Mujidi said, if you are on fire.
Welcome to Boti Falls. They said it's twin waterfalls. Twin waterfalls. One is a lady, one is a man. So the woman and the man. So right now we are hiking back to the car. They said the steps are 250, so I've taken 500 steps here and more. Let's go. I don't know, here the pressure is very high, and so I'm always scared of water, but then we've had a good experience. This is one of the ecotourism destinations in the Eastern region you can visit, and also check the Umbrella Rock and the palm tree with the tree, this one, yeah. So we are going back to Adoko Farm. So if you come to Adoko Farms, these are some of the places that you can visit, okay? Thank you very much for coming on this ecotourism adventure with me. Let's go to the next one.